Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What if your AI assistant didn't just answer questions, but actually worked for you? Today, I'm testing QClaw, Tencent's new AI agent that can automate tasks, remember your habits, control workflows remotely through apps like WhatsApp, and even help with content creation, productivity, and daily work. And honestly, this feels very different from a normal AI chatbot. So, in this video, let's explore what QClaw can actually do, how it works, and whether this could be the future of personal AI assistants. So first, let's set up QClaw. The installation process is actually pretty simple. You just download the app, go through a quick setup, and within a few minutes, you're ready to start using the AI agent. And honestly, this already feels different from a normal AI chatbot. QClaw is designed more like a personal AI assistant that can handle tasks, workflows, and different types of automation instead of only replying to prompts. The interface is also really clean and easy to understand. You can access different AI experts, tools, and features directly from the dashboard without needing any technical experience. So even if you're not a developer, getting started with QClaw is surprisingly easy. One thing I really like here is that QClaw supports different tools, skills, and even custom AI models. So instead of being locked to a single AI system, you can connect different workflows depending on what you actually want to do. You can access features like web search, Gmail integration, calendars, document tools, automation skills, and more directly inside the interface. There's also support for custom API models, which is pretty useful for advanced users who want more control over how the AI works. And this is what makes QClaw feel more like an AI operating system rather than just another chatbot. Now this is the part where QClaw started to genuinely impress me. I gave it a simple prompt asking for a complete YouTube content package for an AI tools channel, and within seconds, it started building an entire workflow automatically, not just basic text responses, but actual structured outputs, including viral title ideas, thumbnail concepts, full video scripts, hooks, SEO descriptions, tags, content strategies, and even posting plans. And honestly, this feels very different from using a normal AI chatbot. Most AI tools usually give short answers that still require a lot of manual work afterwards. But QClaw approaches things more like a real AI agent that's trying to complete the entire task for you from start to finish. The organization is also surprisingly good. Everything is structured clearly, easy to read, and designed in a way that actually feels useful for creators and productivity workflows. So instead of constantly switching between ChatGPT, Notes apps, SEO tools, and planning software, QClaw is trying to combine all of that into one connected system, and that's probably the biggest thing that makes this feel interesting right now. I also tested QClaw with more advanced business and productivity tasks, and this is where the AI agent side becomes much more obvious. Instead of giving short generic answers, QClaw was generating complete business plans, startup strategies, branding ideas, growth roadmaps, monetization models, and even detailed execution steps. And the interesting part is that everything feels connected together. For example, it's not just creating random business ideas, it's also thinking about marketing, pricing, audience targeting, scaling strategies, and long-term growth in a much more structured way. This is the kind of workflow that would normally require multiple tools, research sessions, and hours of planning. But here, QClaw is trying to handle the entire process inside one system. And honestly, this is where I started understanding Tencent's vision with this product. They're not trying to build another chatbot, they're trying to build an AI agent that can actually help people execute real work. So overall, QClaw feels very different from a typical AI chatbot. Instead of only answering questions, it's designed more like a real AI agent that can help with workflows, automation, content creation, productivity, and business tasks inside one system. And honestly, it's interesting to see where AI tools are heading next. If you want to check out QClaw for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.